today we're going to be learning about periscopes. Do you know what a periscope is? Yeah, what is it?
It's the thing that's inside of a submarine.
That's exactly correct. Do you know how a periscope works though?
No, not really.
No, not really. Well, a periscope usually works with mirrors so that you can see things that aren't directly in front of you. So first thing I want to show you is how the mirrors work. So I'm going to get this regular mirror that I have and show you some things about mirrors and how they reflect light.
Okay.
Alright. So when the mirror is right here, straight in front of you, what do you see?
Myself.
Yourself? Okay. What if I turn it to this angle?
The window.
You see the window?
Yeah.
Okay. What if I turn it to this angle?
I see the kitchen.
You see the kitchen?
Yeah.
Cool. So that's a little weird because if I point it right at you, you see yourself.
Yeah.
When I turn it this way, you see a window, and this way, you see a kitchen.
Mhm.
Very weird. Do you want to know the reasoning behind that?
Yeah.
Okay. So the reason is, first thing, everything we see is just light particles hitting the object we see and then going into our eyes. So light hits the object and it puts it into our eyes so that we see things. So the way mirrors work is whenever it's in a straight line like this, the light is hitting the mirror and the mirror is bouncing back and hitting you. And you see yourself. It's a reflection. Now whenever you see the window at this angle, it's simply because the light is hitting here and it's seeing the window. So light to the window to here, and you're seeing it bounce off into your eyes. And that's how you see the window from this angle.
Oh, okay.
So from this angle, what you see, same thing. Light hits the kitchen, hits the mirror, and back into your eyes, which is how you see in a mirror. So you notice, whenever I turn it this way, the window is that way, right?
Yeah.
When I turn it that way, it's towards the kitchen.
Yeah.
So, one of the cool things about mirrors is that when light leaves a source, such as the window, it travels into the mirror at a certain angle and bounces into your eyeballs at that same exact angle.
Oh.
For example, if it left the window at a 45-degree angle, from the window to here, the middle of the mirror, hits that at a 45-degree angle, it would directly go another 45 degrees and bounce straight at you. Yeah. Same thing when it's here. Light hits and it bounces exactly back. This just happens to be a straight line, so you see what's right in front of you. So now we kind of understand why mirrors work the way they do and how light goes in at the same angle and bounces out at the exact same angle to hit whatever it needs to come in contact with. Cool. So, now I have a demonstration of a periscope to show you. Okay?
Sweet.
So, this is a periscope that me and my partner for this project, Alicia, built. Basically, it's a box, and inside is your two mirrors taped. So I'm going to let you go ahead and have a look in it, and I want you to see what you can see in there. Okay? So what are you seeing?
I see a mirror,
Oh, okay.
and looks like it's facing outside the box.
Okay. Can you see me?
I
I'm
can.
standing right here?
You're standing right there.
Yeah. Can you see my hand?
Yes, I can see it moving.
Now take the box away. Look how high up my hand is compared to where your face was.
That's insane.
I know. Put the periscope back up and we'll try it again. Can you see my hands?
Yes.
Okay. Can you take the box away?
Yes.
Look, my hands are so much higher up. It's not just straight in front of you.
Yeah.
You see, because if you were looking straight at me, you would be looking right here at my stomach.
Yes.
But you're not. You're seeing my hands when you look through the periscope.
Okay.
Yeah. So one of the ways that works is with the mirrors inside. And I have a little diagram to show you. So here's the diagram I'm going to show. So, the periscope, right here, if you want to hold the diagram, please. So basically how the periscope works, I'm going to point it out to you while you look at this. So, the periscope works, the light enters here through the top hole, because this is what we're seeing, is the stuff through the top hole. There is a mirror inside of this, right there. You see the mirror?
Yeah.
And it bounces down all the way through this box, see? Goes in here, and will bounce down all the way through the side of the box.
Oh.
And at the bottom here, there's another mirror, almost directly below the first mirror. So then it bounces, light enters, bounces off of one mirror, down to the other mirror, and then you look through this bottom hole, and you see it.
Yeah.
Because the light is just bouncing off of the mirrors at the certain angle so that you can see it.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, whenever light enters here, say it was at a 45-degree angle, it enters here, hits the mirror at a 45-degree angle, the mirror in here will bounce it down to the other mirror, also at a 45-degree angle, which will then bounce from the second mirror into your eyes at a 45-degree angle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So whenever you're looking through this periscope, you're looking way down here, but you're seeing stuff that is way up here, which is a little crazy. So, but when you see the light enter, bounces down, and you see it. Yeah. You want to look through the periscope one more time?
Yes,
Okay,
I do.
cool. Alright, let's see. So do you see the bottom mirror at first?
Yes.
And then, do you see that it's reflected up to a top mirror?
Yes, I do see it
Okay,
now.
and now you can see my hands, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that's really cool because whenever I look in this end of the periscope, I can actually see your eyeballs in this mirror. Because I'm right here and you're seeing my face now, aren't you?
Yes,
But
I am.
I'm seeing your face because the mirror angles are working the exact same way.
Oh.
The light is bouncing from my face into this mirror, into that mirror, into your eyeballs. But it's also bouncing from your face into the bottom mirror, into the top mirror, into my eyeballs. So I'm seeing you.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that really cool?
That's so cool.
Cool. Alright, do you have any more questions about periscopes?
I don't think I do.
Do you understand them now?
I think I understand it now.
Cool. Well, thanks for being part of my lesson today.
Thank you.